Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best guitar is probably one of the most personal and rewarding instruments you can ever pick up, offering an unparalleled journey into musical expression. Whether you're strumming campfire songs or shredding on stage, finding the perfect one can truly unlock your potential and bring endless joy, making it crucial to understand what truly resonates with your style and aspirations from the very first chord. Number 5. Donner Concert Ukulele DUC1. This concert ukulele features a smooth mahogany body, producing a crisp and pleasant sound. Its well-polished rosewood fingerboard and bridge ensure comfortable playability and durability. Its mahogany top body and neck deliver a much richer, brighter, and warmer sound. High-density bone nut and saddle, combined with Aquila carbon nylon strings, provide clear resonance and sustain. This bundle pack includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with a gig bag, strap, tuner, extra strings, picks, and a cleaning cloth, meeting all player needs. Enhance your creativity with professional free online video lessons for beginners. They are easy to understand and help you get started quickly, making it great for adults, beginners, or professionals. Patented chrome-plated guitar-style tuners increase accuracy and keep it always in tune. The digital clip-on tuner makes tuning simple, and fret position marks guide your playing. What we like. This ukulele offers a warm, rich sound thanks to its mahogany craftsmanship. It comes as a complete kit, perfect for new players. If you are looking for an all-inclusive package to start your musical journey, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Best Choice Products 39 inches full-size electric guitar kit, Cherry Red. This complete set includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with an amplifier, case, extra strings, and all essential accessories, so you don't need to buy anything extra. Designed for both beginners and intermediate players, it's ready to play right out of the box. Its custom craftsmanship ensures a rich electric sound, perfect for exploring your musical creativity. This new model boasts a high-quality paint finish and custom black tuning pegs. Its accented binding adds to a sleek and sophisticated appearance. Experiment with various music styles, from blues to rock, thanks to its adjustable sound. The tremolo bridge system and removable whammy bar let you bend pitch and add unique effects to your playing. Crafted with a composite fretboard and maple neck, it delivers a rich, rock sound. Its 3 single-coil pickups and tremolo bridge system ensure exceptional audio quality. What we like. This electric guitar comes as a complete all-in-one kit, including an amplifier and all necessary accessories. Its customizable sound allows you to explore various genres from blues to rock. If you are a beginner looking for a versatile electric guitar with everything you need to start rocking, this is for you. What people say. Number 3. Best Choice Products 39 inches full-size electric guitar starter kit. This all-inclusive set provides everything you need to start playing right away. It comes with an amplifier, a carrying case, extra strings, and all essential accessories. Designed for both beginners and intermediate players, this guitar is ready to use straight out of the box. It's custom crafted to transform vibrations into a rich electric sound. Enjoy its new model features, including a quality paint finish and custom black tuning pegs. Accented binding completes its sleek and sophisticated electric guitar appearance. Experiment with various music styles and genres using its adjustable sound features. You can play anything from blues to rock, and its tremolo bridge system lets you bend the pitch as you play. It's custom designed with a composite fretboard and maple neck to deliver a rich, rock sound. With 3 single-coil pickups and a tremolo bridge system, it ensures excellent audio performance. The integrated tremolo bridge system allows you to effortlessly bend the pitch while playing. Plus, it includes a removable whammy bar for even more expressive musical exploration. What we like. Sporting a sleek, custom black design, this electric guitar looks as good as it sounds. It features adjustable sound controls and a tremolo system for creative expression. If you like a sophisticated aesthetic and want to experiment with diverse musical styles, this model is a great fit. What people say. Number 2. Pyle 3-4 Junior Acoustic Guitar Kit. Crafted entirely from wood, this instrument offers a superior playing experience. Its internal X bracing ensures perfect intonation and optimal string height, making every note sound clear and true. With its comfortable 3/4 scale, this guitar is ideal for hands aged 7 to 11, or adults seeking easier fingerings. Its stunning 7-coat glossy finish not only looks great but also protects it from damage and humidity. It comes complete with all the essentials to begin your musical journey right away. You'll find picks, an adjustable strap, a cleaning cloth, and a convenient carry case with backpack straps and an accessory pocket. Tune up with confidence using the free Pyle mobile tuner app, available for iOS and Android. It's more accurate and user-friendly than traditional clip tuners, and includes guided setup videos to get you started. Unlock thousands of hours of online courses, exercises, and popular song tutorials. Learn at your own pace and schedule from any device, making your musical journey both flexible and fun. What we like. This 3/4 junior size acoustic guitar is perfectly scaled for younger hands or those seeking easier playability. It boasts all-wood construction for better sound and durability. If you have a child aged 7 to 11 or are an adult desiring a more compact instrument with full learning support, this is your ideal match. What people say. Number 1. Best Choice Products Acoustic Electric Bass Guitar Vintage Sunburst. This instrument is equipped with a 4-band EQ, 7545R preamp. It produces high-quality audio, perfect for hours of musical practice and play. Experiment and customize your sound with its built-in volume control. A 4-band equalizer lets you easily adjust bass, middle, treble, and presence. It boasts an attractive sound hole inlay, chrome die-cast tuners, and a glossy finish. This design ensures both beauty and easy upkeep. Featuring a classic cutaway shape, it combines a rich, supple tone with easy access to higher frets. This allows for a more diverse sound experience. A convenient carrying case is included, complete with backpack straps and durable padding. It also has 3 storage pockets and a non-slip rubber pad for quick access. What we like. This acoustic electric bass guitar offers the flexibility to play unplugged or amplified with its built-in 4-band EQ preamp. Its cutaway shape provides easy access to higher frets, expanding your musical range. If you are a bassist looking for versatility in sound and comfortable playability across the fretboard, this instrument is an excellent option. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.